What's up, guys? I'm outside right now taking a walk, and it's a little bit rainy at the moment. But yeah, I think you guys heard that just now. There's like a thunderstorm approaching. So I figured maybe I could actually record, and see if I'll get like a video of it. That would be pretty cool. Uh, yeah, it's raining. As you guys can see down there, it's kind of bright, while this side it's dark out. But yeah, let's see if there's gonna be like lightning or something, because just now I saw it like a minute ago. But yeah, crossing the street. Yeah, looks like it's not there yet. I don't really know the time at the moment. I think it's like 10:40 p.m. But yeah, let's see if we're gonna see any, thunder. Or sorry, lightning, I meant to say. It should pop up any moment. Yeah, the rain is actually picking up now. Hopefully I don't get soaked, because I didn't even bring my jacket. I'm in a hoodie. Oh, I think I just saw like lightning. Let's actually get up closer. Maybe we'll see it again. Yeah, you can hear the thunder. Nice, Tim Hortons. I would go here actually, but I didn't bring my money, which sucks. But then again, I think I actually don't have money at all right now. I don't know. But next time I'll come here. So yeah, it's weird. It's like not picking up yet. I don't know. Come on.